blurred words on the newspaper, forgetting why you walked into the kitchen, burning eyes at night. These aren't small issues. They're daily reminders that vision and memory are slipping. What if one simple bedtime snack could protect your eyes and sharpen your mind without pills or surgery? Every day, millions of seniors in America wake up facing the same painful truth. Vision blurs, memory slips, and independence slowly fades. Reading the newspaper becomes a struggle. Driving at night feels unsafe, and remembering simple details turns frustrating. These aren't small annoyances. They're reminders that aging eyes and minds are under attack. But here's the question that matters. What if you could fight back without pills, surgeries, or expensive supplements? What if the answer was already in your kitchen? Something simple, safe, and natural. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'll show you 3 everyday dry fruits that science confirms can protect your eyesight, sharpen your memory, and help you wake up feeling clearer and stronger. As we get older, 2 problems often show up together: weakening eyesight and memory decline. According to the National Institutes of Health, oxidative stress builds up in the body over time. That means harmful particles slowly damage the delicate cells in our eyes and brain. For the eyes, this can show up as blurred vision when reading, trouble seeing at night while driving, or more serious risks like cataracts or macular degeneration. For the brain, it may feel like forgetting names, losing track of conversations, or struggling to remember appointments. These changes don't just affect health, they affect independence. Many seniors stop driving because night vision feels unsafe. Others avoid social events because they can't follow conversations as easily. It's frustrating, and sometimes it makes people feel isolated. What makes it harder is the common belief that only medications, surgeries, or expensive supplements can slow this down. But that's not the full story. Science shows that nutrition plays a powerful role in protecting both vision and memory. Yet this simple truth is often overlooked. That's why today's topic matters, because there are natural, affordable steps you can take, starting right at your dinner table, to fight back against these changes. And in just a moment, I'll share with you the specific foods that science supports and how you can use them in a simple bedtime habit. If these problems are left unchecked, they don't just stay the same, they usually get worse. Blurry vision can progress to age-related macular degeneration, which the National Eye Institute identifies as one of the leading causes of vision loss for people over 60. Cataracts, another common condition, can cloud your sight to the point where even reading a menu at a diner becomes a challenge. Memory decline also carries serious risks. The National Institutes of Health notes that oxidative damage in the brain is linked to Alzheimer's disease and other dementias. For many seniors, it starts small, forgetting an appointment, misplacing house keys. But over time, it can grow into confusion that affects daily life and relationships. These changes create a cycle of frustration. Imagine not being able to drive at night to see your grandchildren because headlights blur into bright halos, or sitting with friends at church but struggling to remember details of the conversation. These moments can feel like pieces of independence slipping away, one by one. And here's the painful truth. Most seniors are told the only options are surgery, medications, or expensive supplements. Many feel trapped between fear of losing more function and fear of medical costs. But there is hope. Research shows that certain nutrients, when consumed regularly, can help slow these changes. In just a moment, I'll show you 3 simple foods that you can add before bedtime. They're safe, affordable, and widely available, yet often overlooked. The good news is that nature already gives us powerful tools. 3 simple dry fruits, almonds, walnuts, and raisins, carry nutrients that support both vision and memory. They're not exotic, they're not expensive, and they're easy to find in any grocery store. For example, almonds are rich in vitamin E. According to Medline Plus, vitamin E protects cells from oxidative stress, which is one of the key drivers of both eye and brain aging. Walnuts provide omega-3 fatty acids that help keep brain cells communicating clearly and reduce inflammation in the eyes. Raisins are loaded with polyphenols and iron, both linked to healthier retinas and better blood flow to the brain. Let me share a real story. Evelyn, 68, used to grab cookies before bed. She often woke up with dry eyes and felt mentally foggy in the mornings. She switched her snack to a few soaked almonds and a small handful of raisins. Within 6 weeks, she noticed her eyes weren't as irritated when reading, and she could recall her daily to-do list more easily. These foods don't replace medical care, but they do give your body what it needs to fight back naturally. In just a moment, I'll walk you through each of these dry fruits, how they work, and the easiest way to add them to your evening routine. Let's start with almonds. For centuries, they've been valued as food for the brain, and modern science confirms why. Almonds are one of the best natural sources of vitamin E. According to the National Institutes of Health, vitamin E is a strong antioxidant that helps protect nerve cells from damage. That means it can slow the decline of both memory and vision as we age. For the eyes, vitamin E helps shield the retina from oxidative stress. This matters because oxidative damage is one of the main causes of blurry vision and age-related eye diseases. A study cited by the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease also found that higher intake of vitamin E is linked with slower cognitive decline. So when you eat almonds, you are giving your eyes and memory cells real protection. The key is consistency and preparation. Eating 5 to 6 almonds each night is enough. For many seniors, soaking almonds in water for a few hours makes them softer, easier to chew, and easier to digest. Soaking also reduces tannins in the skin, allowing more nutrients to be absorbed. Take Robert, 70, for example. He struggled with dry eyes every night while watching television. After adding soaked almonds before bed for a month, he noticed his eyes felt less irritated and he woke up feeling clearer in the morning. It's a simple step. No complicated recipes, no extra cost. Just a few soaked almonds before bed can make a real difference for seniors who want to protect their eyesight and memory. Now let's talk about walnuts. They stand out because they are one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids, especially ALA. According to the National Institutes of Health, omega-3s are essential for brain health and play a protective role in the retina. For seniors, that means better communication between brain cells, reduced inflammation, and more support for aging eyes. In practical terms, eating just 2 to 3 walnuts at night can help sharpen memory, improve focus, and ease dry eyes. Many older adults with diabetes experience eye dryness due to reduced tear production, and research shows that walnuts can help relieve this problem. Walnuts also contain melatonin, which supports natural sleep. Poor sleep often makes memory worse and leaves the eyes feeling heavy in the morning. By adding walnuts before bed, you're not only feeding your brain and eyes, you're helping your body rest more deeply. There's another important benefit. Walnuts contain arginine, an amino acid that helps improve blood circulation. Good blood flow ensures that oxygen and nutrients actually reach the eyes and the brain. Poor circulation is common among seniors with high blood pressure or diabetes, and it directly impacts clarity of vision and mental sharpness. Take Linda, 65. She often woke up in the middle of the night and struggled to fall back asleep. After starting a routine of 2 walnuts before bed, she noticed her sleep was steadier. She also said her eyes didn't feel as dry when reading her Bible in the morning. Walnuts are simple, affordable, and widely available. With just a few pieces each night, you're giving your body nutrients it needs for clearer vision, sharper memory, and better sleep. The third dry fruit is raisins. They may look small, but they are packed with powerful nutrients that support both vision and memory. Raisins are rich in polyphenols, natural compounds that help protect the retina from oxidative stress. According to the National Eye Institute, oxidative stress is a major factor behind age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss for older adults. Raisins also provide iron, which supports healthy blood flow. Better circulation means more oxygen reaches the brain and the eyes, helping both work more effectively. Even though raisins taste sweet, they have a low to moderate glycemic index. This makes them a safer choice for many seniors with diabetes, as long as portions are controlled. Instead of causing blood sugar spikes like cookies or candy, they deliver steady energy through the night. Raisins are like the little engines that could for your eyes. They provide the sweetness without the dangerous sugar rush, and they keep things working right inside your head. Another benefit comes from boron, a trace mineral found in raisins. Research has linked boron with better cognitive performance, especially in older adults. It helps the brain use calcium more efficiently, which improves communication between brain cells. James, 74, used to snack on crackers and cookies late at night. He often woke up feeling sluggish and had trouble remembering small details in the morning. After switching to a small handful of raisins before bed, he noticed lighter sleep and less morning brain fog. Raisins are easy to keep in the pantry, affordable, and simple to add to your nightly routine. Just a small portion can bring steady support for your eyes and your memory. When you put almonds, walnuts, and raisins together, you create what I call a night repair trio. Each fruit brings something unique: vitamin E from almonds, omega-3s and melatonin from walnuts, and polyphenols plus boron from raisins. Combined, they work as a team to protect your eyes, sharpen your memory, and give your body steady fuel through the night. The right portion makes the difference. For most seniors, 5 to 6 soaked almonds, 2 to 3 walnuts, and 1 small handful of raisins are enough. Eating them about 30 to 45 minutes before bedtime gives your body time to digest and start absorbing the nutrients. Pair them with a glass of water, and you also help prevent overnight eye dryness. George, 62, who has type 2 diabetes, tried this routine. He used to wake up with irritated eyes and had trouble focusing on his work at a hardware store. After 1 month of replacing heavy evening snacks with soaked almonds, walnuts, and raisins, he said his eyes felt less dry and his concentration improved. He didn't change everything in his diet, just this one simple bedtime step. Science supports his experience. According to the National Institutes of Health, regular intake of vitamin E, omega-3s, and polyphenols is associated with lower risk of age-related eye disease and slower cognitive decline. These nutrients don't work overnight, but when taken consistently, they help the body repair itself more effectively during sleep. You don't need complicated recipes or expensive supplements. Just 3 simple dry fruits, taken in the right amounts, can help you wake up with clearer eyes and a sharper mind. And the results build over time, week after week. Before you start this routine, there are a few important things to keep in mind. If you have diabetes, keep portions small. Just 1 tablespoon of raisins is enough. Monitor your blood sugar to see how your body responds. If you take blood-thinning medication, check with your doctor before eating walnuts regularly because they naturally affect circulation. For those with high blood pressure, almonds and walnuts may actually help since they contain magnesium and potassium that relax blood vessels. Timing matters too. Eat the trio about half an hour before bed, not right before lying down, so you don't feel heavy. Drink a glass of water along with it to support digestion and keep your eyes from drying overnight. These are not magic cures, but safe, natural ways to give your body what it needs. With steady use, many seniors notice real improvements in vision comfort, memory sharpness, and morning energy. Your health is built on the small choices you make every day. For your eyes and memory, almonds, walnuts, and raisins can become one of those choices. Almonds provide vitamin E to protect delicate eye tissues. Walnuts supply omega-3s and melatonin for sharper thinking and better sleep. Raisins add polyphenols and boron to fight age-related vision decline and support steady brain function. Together, they form a simple routine that works while you rest. You don't need expensive supplements or complicated programs. What you need is consistency. A handful of these dry fruits before bed can support clearer mornings, better focus, and less eye strain over time. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Will you try the Night Repair Trio tonight? Share your answer in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like so more seniors can see it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button and join our community of people who want stronger eyes, sharper memory, and healthier years ahead. Small steps matter. Start tonight and give your eyes and brain the care they deserve.